We're from the second lane.
Yeah.
That we should straight, and then by there you should change the lane, not like straight.
But there's a
Tama po ba?
yeah. First time here, Philippine.
So, kuya, ano po pwede?
Ano lang, may issue lang po yung ticket, yung license niya. Tapos, pa-check na rin ng ORC. Saan ba pupunta niyo, ma'am?
So, may
We go there. Yeah.
Sa kayo galing ngayon?
galing po NU po.
Pa-issue na lang po ang driver's license.
Yeah.